Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and we're going to be seeing some showers and some thunderstorms moving through the area over the next couple of days. All day is not going to rain, but that chance, unfortunately, is going to at least be there. We're dealing with a little bit of that right now. This activity should diminish towards sunset, and then once the skies settle down, we'll do it all over again for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and perhaps even Thursday. So let me show you what's going on. Into the rest of today, a few showers will be around. Once we get into the overnight, things will settle down. The muggy meter stays high, or at least high enough where it can bring more showers and storms back into Metro Detroit for Monday. The timing does appear where we could have some prefrontal action, like we like to mention as far as the cold front is concerned, but I think the better likelihood of seeing some activity is going to be Monday night. So into the afternoon, along this boundary here, we could see a few pop-up showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. But look what happens towards Monday night into Tuesday morning. The actual cold front arrives. That brings a better likelihood of seeing some of these showers that are going to push in, some of which could produce some heavy rainfall. Once again, we're not anticipating any widespread severe weather with this. And then for Tuesday evening, rain tends to linger, and that's because the front holds up just a little bit or enough to keep us in play for constant chances of rain. So Tuesday by far appears to be the wettest day of the next couple. We're at 67 degrees for tonight, partly cloudy with light winds, 87 for a high tomorrow. So for your Monday, we're flirting with 90 degrees, about a 30% chance of seeing some rain. And then looking at the 7-day forecast, you can see what I mean when I say things turn active. Eventually, two cold fronts they're going to move through, not only giving us a chance of rain, but they're also going to cool us down. So we'll hit a high of 87. Cold front arrives going into Monday night to Tuesday. That puts us into the lower 80s, and then a second one arrives on Thursday, and that potentially could drop us into the 70s for Saturday. And thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your Monday morning.